Good morning, students and faculty of Sherman High. I'm Tobias Moore.
Hey, dude, I think I'd be a cute grandma.
No, dude, you wouldn't be cute and you wouldn't be a grandma. Take it off.
Can I be?
Dude,
I can't.
why?
Oh.
God,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Good morning, students and faculty of Sherman High. I'm Tobias Moore.
And I'm Alex Gomez. It's Thursday, May 25th, and it's the last Cats News of the year.
The last Cats News.
Last Cats News.
Okay, let's get to the open.
Oh, I gotta go. So, a potato isn't a fruit.
What?
It's in the ground.
God.
Oh.
Every time. Okay. We would like to congratulate Mary Kate Adami for winning the Master of Ceremonies audition for the 2017 through 2018 school year.
Also, Mr. Garton really likes Cats News, so he decided to go out and get some comments around the school from people who enjoy watching the broadcast. Enjoy.
Let's see it.
We really appreciate the Cat News. I believe it's the greatest broadcast I've ever seen.
All right, just want to say thank you to all those involved with producing Cat News. It's a great resource for our students in our school and a wonderful production, so thank you to those involved this school year. Great job, fantastic. Look forward to next year.
Cat News, that was the best 1 minute of my whole day.
Thank you, Cats News, for such a great year. Y'all did amazing.
Cat News, you blew us apart.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks, Cats News. We appreciate you.
Cats News, I listen to you all day long.
Thank you, Cat News.
Good job, Cat News.
On putting on a great Cats News every day. We look forward to see what the kids are going to show us next, and a good year.
Thanks, Cats News. We appreciate you.
Jalen Collins, one of the best.
Yep.
Thank you for Cats News.
We're
gonna see y'all next year.
Gang.
Be okay. I know that was some really. It's gonna be all right, man.
It's so tough.
I know it's sad, bro. I'm not really crying too, but I'm here with you. All right, we gotta continue the Cats News. We gotta continue. It's all good. You're good, man. You're good. It's straight.
Okay, continue. Sorry about that, guys.
You're good. Yesterday,
we had misinformed you all.
It's like, I'll take it.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah, I mean, or you know, go ahead and read it, man.
Okay.
You gotta read it.
Okay, this is from Miss Robinson. Attention, those who signed up and turned in permission slips to Miss Robinson to be a maroon maniac next fall, please go by her room either today or Tuesday.
Today or Tuesday, guys. Today or
Make
Tuesday.
sure you go by Miss Robinson's room and you check in.
All right.
Okay, yesterday we had misinformed you all. The 7th period final is Tuesday. And 1st, 2nd, and 3rd period finals will be held Wednesday, and 4th, 5th, and 6th will be held Thursday. Also, don't forget that Wednesday and Thursday will be early release days.
Glad we have those half days. Also, Powder Puff game is this afternoon. The gates will open at 5:15. Kickoff will be at 6. Make sure to purchase those tickets. They're $5 each. Make sure that you stay for the Bearcat spring game immediately following. Got everyone who needs to be there. Get me flashlights. Guys, guess what today is?
Guess what today is, guys?
It's the time for the final ghost video. We're ready. Cue the video.
Cue the video.
All right, guys, we're back in the auditorium. Let's hunt some ghosts. It's actually not that warm. It's really dead silent in here most of the time. And if we look through those aisles, we can see something. a lot of students used to be in this auditorium whenever there was meetings and stuff like that. Who knows? There's rumors that maybe there was a student that used to come here. And now he just haunts the place because he just didn't like the school that much. It's getting a lot colder. A lot colder. Nothing over there. Whoa, stop. I'm gonna be very quiet. Can't make a sound. Got you now. Ow. I got him. I think I got him. Take that. In there.
Dude, is this an actual ghost? What is he doing? Sherman High is haunted. This is proof. Clear proof. What? I'm taking him down! It's danger! Sherman High, I've exterminated all the ghosts. This is Tobias Morton, signing off. Sayonara, suckers. Hey, bud.
What's up?
Mr. Wallen wants us to produce videos for Cats News. So I'm kind of thinking we create a ghost hunting video.
Ghost hunting video?
Yeah, we just go around the school and hunt ghosts up in the auditorium since this place is so old and haunted.
Yeah, I guess I mess with that, bro. I think we should do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, well, go ahead and wake up and
Let's get you a ghost costume too.
All right, bet.
All right, cool, bro. When I say get the flashlights ready, get the flashlight. We can't be messing up on Cats News.
unprofessional.
All right, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. Just give them the good news, bro. Good news.
Right.
Good news.
Good news.
Good news.
We only have 2 days of school left.
2 days. 2 days, bro. Get hype. Okay.
2 days.
But that's all we have for you guys today. We hope you all have a terrific Thursday. From everyone here at Cats News, we'd like to say have a great summer. We'll see you next year, Sherman High.
We'll see you next year, Sherman High. It was a great year. Thank you.